Namaskaram everyone. Welcome to the guided meditation session. We are doing the 15th meditation session today, and I hope you have been doing fantastic. All of you. Namaskaram Ruhel Alam. Namaskaram Harshita Venkatesh. Namaskaram and welcome Yogeshwari Kanoje. We will wait for a couple of minutes for everyone to jump in. The video and the live notification travels slightly slower on weekdays. But yes, it's the weekend yogi. Let's wait for a few more people to join in. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, those who have joined, can you comment down in the section here which part of India you are coming from, or if you are coming here for the first time, or if you are coming here for the 15th time. Whatever time or which part of India, which part of the world you are coming from, just put in the comment section. Namaskaram, know_ thyself. I have been doing fantastic. How about you? How you have been doing? How was your Tuesday? Fantastic, Nandini Thakur. Welcome. Namaskaram. We will get started with our session sooner. Great. Namaskaram, Mahima Pradeshi. Welcome to the first session. Fantastic, Harshita. Glad to see you coming from Chennai. Fantastic, Khushbu. Gujarat. Yes, know thyself. Being occupied is quality actually. We will wait another 1 or 2 minutes. Great. So, those who are coming here for the first time, here are a few instructions. And before giving out the instructions, I would like to tell you what do we do in this 10 minutes guided meditation session. Well, meditation is a very strong quality. It's not an act that you do, but it's a quality. It eventually happens. This 10 minutes or 12 minutes is all about spending time with yourself. You rarely get to spend time with yourself, hence this is an opportunity to do this with yourself. And these 10 minutes are going to give you some soothing and relaxation in your mind, and will get along, wrap up and wind up the whole day, as well as get you started for the next day. I'll be guiding you through the whole process. You just have to close your eyes and follow my voice, and you will drive on eventually. Great. Okay, so we have a lot of new other joinees as well. Please comment down in the section which part of India are you coming for, or is this your first session, second session, or 15th session, whatever. Just put down in the comment section. Namaskaram, Sneakfire7. So glad to see you again. Welcome back. Fantastic, Khushbu Agnani. Yes. Reema Singh coming from Hyderabad. Sneakfire coming here for the 4th time. Fantastic. Great. So I think we can get started in a while. So before we get started, and for those who are coming here for the first time, here are quick instructions for you. You can be in a sitting position. When I say sitting position, you can sit cross-legged also, or you can sit on a chair too. And I want you to keep your palms facing upwards towards the sky on your thigh. This is the best position to spend time with yourself. Keep your spine comfortably erect. Don't be too slouchy or don't be too tight. Just be comfortably erect. I want you to take off your spectacles if you are wearing them, because you don't need to look at the screen. You just have to follow my voice. I will be guiding you through the whole process. And you can lay down on bed as well. But if you lay down, make sure you keep your palms beside your body and your feet are not crossing each other. Great. If there are any doubts with the instructions, I'll wait for a couple of seconds because there is a gap and lag between what I'm speaking and how you are interacting. And I will give you a moment to adjust yourself and then we will get started. Any quick questions, any quick doubts on the posture, just put up in the comments. I'll address them. Great. It looks like we don't have any doubts. Okay. Great. Okay, Nandini Thakur, the question that you have asked, can anyone practice meditation? Let me tell you, whatever you are going to do next in those 10 minutes, don't think of it as meditation. Just understand it as spending time with yourself. This is your opportunity. This is your opportunity to spend time with yourself. Let's not call it meditation. Meditation is a very loosely used term. And I'll address this question after this thing. Okay, Kuldeep Singh, you shouldn't use pillow while doing this. It's better to avoid pillow. It'll be great if you don't use a pillow while laying down on the bed. Great. Keep off your spectacles. Yes, while sleeping position, even then also you shouldn't use pillow. And if you are sitting on a chair or if you are sitting, make sure you just use backrest but not the headrest, and you keep your head straight. Namaskaram and hello Nimish, welcome back again. Glad to see you after a long time. Great. So we'll get started and give me a thumbs up everyone. Give me a thumbs up everyone if you are ready for the session. We'll get started and I will be putting off the comment section once I start speaking. Lights can be kept on or off, that's fine. Your eye is going to be closed, so it's totally fine. So great. We have 3, 4, 5 people saying thumbs up, 6 people, fantastic. 7 and 8, fantastic. We have 9 people and 10, great. So we have 10 thumbs up and more coming up. So we'll get started. Make sure you just follow my voice. Just keep a focus on my voice. You don't have to look up on the screen, and I will be putting up and I will be closing the comment section so that you can focus on my voice. Slowly, gently close your eyes. In your own time, at your own pace, lower your gaze. Close your eyes. Adjust yourself. Make yourself comfortable. Just follow my voice. I will guide you through the process and just keep a gentle focus on my voice. We will begin with taking a few deep inhalations. Take a deep inhalation through your nostril and exhale through your mouth. Take one more deep breath through your nostrils and exhale slowly and gently through your mouth. We will take one more deep breath and this time hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Rotate your shoulders once and exhale. Feel the air touching your lips. Keep a gentle focus on my voice. Relax your feet. Release any stiffness. Release any tension in your arms and let your palms be loose and relaxed. Drop your body loose. Breathe in calm, balance, ease, peace, and stillness. Watch and observe your body is relaxing. Your mind is following my voice. Now bring your attention to your surroundings. With your eyes closed, observe what is lying nearby you. Keeping a gentle attention on my voice. Keep a natural breathing pattern. See the air entering your nostrils and your lungs. I want you to visualize your favorite climate. Imagine your favorite weather, climate. It may be a sunny day, it may be a rainy day, it may be a cloudy day, it may be whatever weather, climate, temperature, or the environment you want. Just notice the different structures and Observe your favorite weather. Is it raining right now? Or is it cold? Is it falling snow for you? Or is it too sunny, bright, energetic? Whatever is your favorite weather, just imagine that. Visualize yourself sitting and observing things. Visualize yourself sitting without any gadgets, any distractions, just you and your favorite weather. Visualize what time of the day it is. Is it morning? Is it evening? Or the night? Next, I want you to visualize and think, what is the one thing you can touch right now in your favorite weather, climate, and just you? Think of one stuff you can touch. Notice, observe what you can feel on your fingertips. Now, I want you to visualize one thing you can taste. You may want to eat something spicy, you may want to eat something sweet, something sour. Just visualize and imagine that taste. See, your mouth is watering with taste. Now, I want you to visualize one thing that you can see. Your favorite weather, your favorite climate, what you can see, visualize that. One thing you can see, just imagine. Now, I want you to take a slight inhalation and visualize what you can smell. Is it the flowers? Is it the people? Is it the food? Is it the rain? What you can smell. Inhale slightly and visualize that smell. You are just driving towards this smell. want you to bring your attention to your ears. What you can hear, visualize, imagine, think. What can you hear sitting under this lovely, beautiful, your favorite climate and weather? You are enjoying this season, this temperature, these feelings. You have everything about your senses. Just try to dissolve yourself in this lovely climate or the weather. You are just totally involved with this life. Now, I want you to say it to yourself. This is the best climate I have ever felt in my life. Say it after me. This is the best weather I have ever felt. Slowly and gently bring your awareness to my voice. At your own time, in your own time, at your own pace, open up your eyes. Open up your eyes. Take your time. Gently open up your eyes. Okay, hello everyone, welcome back. You had spent around 13 minutes and 10 seconds with your eyes closed. I don't know if you felt it as a pressure or how are you feeling right now. Let me know in the comment section. The comment section is open again. Let me know how are you feeling right now. How was the session? What did you think of? Which weather you thought of? Just let me know in the comment section. How are you feeling? What are your honest thoughts, emotions right now? Put them up. Let this love be shared across everyone. Fantastic, Kuldeep. Fantastic. Great. Fantastic, Nimish. You are feeling relaxed. Fantastic. Little bit art. Beautiful. Yes, indeed, it was beautiful. Winter. Oh, that's fantastic. Great. Calm. Yes, Harshita Venkatesh. It's little difficult to concentrate this long, but yes, you don't have to concentrate. Just next time, follow my voice. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to just think about or control yourself. Great, Yogeshwari Kanoje, you're feeling relaxed. Fantastic, know thyself. Cool rainy day. Akanksha Arunima, fantastic winter morning and a whole different world together. Yes. First of all, I'd like to tell you this. After this session, don't forget to drink a glass of water. For everyone who have done tonight's meditation or spending time with yourself, make sure you drink water after this session. Second thing is, I want you to say thank you. Thank you yourself, not me. You have to thank yourself because you have taken this opportunity to spend time with yourself. Say thank you to me in the comment section. This thank you belongs to you. This gratefulness belongs to you. And the third thing, whatever replays you want to see for this session, this will be uploaded to the weekendyogi.com. Website is weekendyogi.com, and also I'll be uploading it to the YouTube channel. Please make sure you do the free sign up and make sure you make yourself available to these free replays only just for all of you. Great. Now I'll be taking few questions, quick questions. Anyone has any doubts or anything, I'll just be happy to address them. Fantastic. Priyanka Daryani says, visualization was not that clear of the weather. Yes. If you are thinking of a cloudy weather, even the weather is not itself very clear, right? It does not have to be clear. It has to be little assumptive. You just have to assume, nothing else. And it's fine. It's totally fine. It's hazy. It's fine. Next time you observe the weather around you, you will be able to have a better visualization. Fantastic, Divya. It was a rainy morning for you. Great, Ruhel. Mahi MJ is asking how to control anger. Do something on this. Controlling anger is your thing to do, but not mine. You have to do it for yourself. All other people can give you certain set of beautiful and structured advice, but the thing is you have to do it for yourself. How do you do it? Don't address the anger. Address what's lying underneath. Address what's lying beneath the scenes, which is what? Your awareness. If your awareness is sharp, you can grasp or break any thoughts, emotion that's coming up or trying to build up. And if you are able to get that awareness on your thoughts, you will be able to prevent it from becoming a diarrhea of mind. You will be able to become an emotion and able to prevent those emotions from spilling out. It's just like an ice. You little bit heats up, it spills out. If you don't heat up, it will stay intact. This is how. Don't address anger. Address awareness. Work on your awareness. Use small tools. Do yoga. Meditation is another thing. Fantastic, Kuldeep. Thank you all. Thank you belongs to yourself, everyone. Prat Smith saying, love your session. Thank you. I hope I am so motivating to watch. And okay, Yogeshwari Kanoje is asking why to drink water. Drinking water actually helps you settle down your energies. When you do meditation and when you close your eyes and spend time with yourself, there are certain arrangement of energies from here to there. So it's better to let them settle and let your internal heat be settled down as well. Great. I hope we are done with any other questions. I'll love to close this now on a good note and see you again for the next time. Tomorrow night, same time, 10 p.m., 10 to 12 minutes. And amazing, guys. Don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel or sign up or on the weekendyogi.com. Glad to see you, everyone. We'll be in touch. Namaskaram. Good night.